Hello everyone, and I got a new fan today. This one is a fan of a humidifier. It's not really a fan, but it counts. I might actually try and wire this fan up at one point. Because I smashed up an old dehumidifier today and I salvaged this fan out of it. Now this fan is an Elco model 7-20-230-31. Strange model number, but it's not really a normal fan though. I think this is what exhaust fans use as well. But we're a humidifier by DeLonghi. I'm going to clean this up. I'm going to get some WD-40. It might lubricate those bearings if they're quite good, but they're a bit dry. It's very dirty. But anyway, thank you for watching and bye.